So one of the questions we get asked often is, do I have to be home while you're there painting? And the answer is probably not. So for an exterior, the only time we need for you to be home is when we're painting your doors, and that's usually just in a 3 to 5 hour window. So, and if you're there in the morning, my guys can pull out the weather strips and we can actually paint the doors with it in the closed position, but we would prefer it to be open. And then of course we'd like you to be there at the end of the job just to walk it and make sure we've taken care of everything that we said we would. So it's just a little punch list and we take care of it and everything's perfect for the end of your job. If it's an interior job, you just need to let us in the home and then you can take off and be gone the whole day if you'd prefer. If we're lacquering cabinets for you, we'd prefer you weren't there because it's really smelly. So we'd like you to just stay away the whole day and then you can come back in the evening when we've vented everything out. But that's your call.